Hi, I'm Christina, and welcome to Yoga with Christina, ChriskaYoga. Today I'll be sharing a bedtime yoga routine. This is a great short routine that you can do right before bed. You can even do it in your bed as you're drifting off to sleep. It's great to relax your mind and your body and prepare your body for rest. So I hope you enjoy it. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my free weekly yoga videos. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat or hop into bed and let's get started.
Begin on your hands and knees. In child's pose, touch your big toes together, separate your knees, sit your hips onto your heels, and relax your torso down. Bring your forehead to the floor, reach your arms out in front of you. Breathe deeply. Keeping your legs and hips where they are, just walk your torso over to the left. Reaching your arms out on the diagonal to the left, place your head down on the floor. Hold here. Switch sides, walk your arms and torso over to the right, keeping your legs where they are. Slowly come back to center and come up to a seated position. Swing your legs around, come to sitting on the ground, and then roll down to laying on the floor or on your bed. Hug your legs in towards your chest, holding onto your shins, flexing your feet. And take both of your legs, drop them over to the left side of your body, coming to a twist. Place your left hand on top of your right leg. Reach your right arm out to the right and look over to the right with your head. Hold here in your twist. Switch sides. Bring your legs over to the right. Reach your left arm out to the left and look over to the left with your head. Hold here. And come back to the center. Keep your left leg straight out on the ground and reach your right leg up towards the ceiling, flexing your foot. Place the bottom of your right foot to face the ceiling, holding on to your right leg with your hands on the hamstrings. Hold here and breathe. Bend the right leg, holding onto the shin, and hold for a moment with the leg bent. And take that right leg over to the left, coming to a twist. Once again, reach the right arm out to the right, looking over to the right, and hold. Come back to the center and come into a supine pigeon pose, bending the left leg, crossing the right ankle over the left thigh, and taking hold of the left hamstrings with both of your hands, flexing both feet. Hold here. And release your hands from your legs. Switching sides, straighten the right leg and reach the left leg up towards the ceiling, having the bottom of your left foot facing the ceiling, holding on to the left hamstrings with both hands. Bending the left leg, hold on to the shin with your hands and keeping the feet flexed. And take the left leg over into your twist. Twisting the left leg over to the right, reach the left arm out to the left and look left. Come back to the center for supine pigeon pose, bending the right leg. Take the left ankle, cross it over the right thigh. Hold on to the right hamstrings with both hands, flexing both feet, hugging the legs inward. And release your hands from your leg, uncross your ankle. And we'll end our sequence with a Savasana, stretching the legs out, separate them, and relax your limbs, placing your hands on the ground by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes. Begin to deepen your breath. Come inward and focus on your inhales and your exhales. If you are drifting off to sleep straight from this position, you can exit the video now before you come back to your Shavasana and drift away into sleep. If you'd like to end the class with me, remain here, keeping the video on, breathing deeply through the nose, and focusing your attention on the breath. Bring some slow and gentle motion back into your body, moving your hands and your feet, your arms, and your legs. And when you're ready, roll onto your side, bending your legs and placing your arm under your head for support. Use your hands to help you come up to a seated cross-legged position. Crossing your shins, flex your feet under your legs, sit up tall, and bring your hands to your legs. Bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest and bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up or the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my free weekly yoga videos. Leave me a comment letting me know of any questions you might have or any future yoga class requests. Please share this class with anyone that you feel might need it. Spread the word. It would really help the channel to grow. And yeah, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time.